Hey guys, I built this amazing platform where I can do everything in my business in 4 clicks. And this platform is responsible in the last 3 months for almost 500,000 views. And so in this video, I'm going to show you one of the functionalities of this tool, and you're going to see it's going to be absolutely epic. So what we're going to do, we're going to move on to the tool. And for those who haven't seen the previous episodes of this series, I have created this platform that takes care of absolutely everything that I have to do. For example, content-wise, it will find the ideas, it will do the copywriting, it will create the visuals, it will post it, and then it will syndicate it everywhere, okay? And I'm going to show you how we're gonna do this. So this is the first screen, and in this screen, I have all the ideas that have been found by my tool with different methods. So I have a tool, this one here, YouTube Prediction. It's basically looking at every single comment on the YouTube videos, and I try to identify comments like, hey, can you make your next video about this? Or, hey, I would really love to know this. Or I was looking for this answer, but it wasn't there. You know, things like this. So that tells you what people want to know. Then you have something here, it says YouTube Watch. You can actually, it watches YouTube videos from me, extracts the gold, and then it gives me the ideas. Then it will read all my newsletters for me because I don't have time to do it. And it will also watch YouTube Reels for me, for example, and extract ideas, okay? So basically, remember step number one, which is finding the ideas. I don't have to worry about it. Done, check. Now, let me show you how I will create some content. And today I'm gonna show you something very, very cool. You're gonna see it's really amazing. So let's say we have an idea here, and I'm going to pick an idea randomly. Okay, so this one should have done that already. Yeah, so for example, give people an offer with 2 prices. Coaching is the main offer. If they want one-to-one, double the price, let them choose. Yeah, for example, this one here, I think it's a pretty good one. Yeah, let's go with this one. All right, so now I'm going to select an angle. I don't want to just copy someone. I want to cover it from a different angle. So here I have a whole bunch of angles here where I can basically take that from another perspective, right? And so here I will say what I wish I knew, for example. So what I wish I knew when I got started, right? So then I'm going to select the format, and you're going to see it's very cool. So I'm going to select the format, which is going to be text and then image of me. So my AI knows what I look like. It's going to create an image of me, and you're going to see it's going to be pretty cool. So now here I can actually give my take about the topic. And I'm just going to record, just press a button and record. Yeah, there's always so you're not selling a product, you're selling access to you. And people who are ready to pay for more access to you are usually more motivated, and they do understand that you can compress time for them. So have another tier, even if it's stupidly expensive, there's always going to be someone who's going to buy it. There you go. So now and you can see my take is there. And now I'm going to say, create. And the magic is going to happen in the background. So in the background, it is basically going to take that idea, that angle. It's going to create a post with text and an image of me because it knows what I look like. And it's going to do it around my take, okay? So I'm going to take you to where this stuff is going to arrive. And for this one, I'm just going to give you the surprise, all right? Just the element of surprise. You're going to see how good those pictures are, okay? And so for that, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause because it's going to take maybe a minute or something, and then we're gonna have a 7th post that's going to appear here with these specifications that we get. All right, there we go. So our new post is here, and let's have a look. So this is the post, all right? So you can see it's actually respecting what I said. Here's the simplest way, blah, 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 okay? And now we actually have an image, okay? And let's have a look at this image. And you're going to see it looks usually pretty much like me. All right, there we go. Look at this. Look at this. It does look like me, right? And so I can go out and I can post this on social media, and you might think that it's me. It's actually not me. So if I'm happy with this content, I'm basically going to say to post, and then that will be then sent to all my social media at the same time. So this is, you can imagine, so imagine you had this in your business. How much time do you think it's going to save? Me, in my case, is saving me a stupid amount of hours, like 80 hours, okay? So now this is an internal tool that I've designed so that my team can operate this for me, okay? So I don't even have to do this stuff. It's people in my team. And as you can see, you literally have to press a few buttons. And let me recap how many buttons we pressed. So if we go back here, we basically selected one angle, that's 1 click. We selected the format, that's 2 clicks. We basically said, please create it, that's 3 clicks. And then here, once we have checked it and we think that it's good, we basically say post, that's 4 clicks. 4 clicks, done. So my team takes care of that stuff for me and have really, really good content with unique angles and with even me on it. I don't have to be there. I don't have to dress up. I don't have to shave. But you can see I'm not shaved or anything like this. I don't have this problem, okay? So again, this is an internal tool. I know a lot of people like, man, I need this tool in my life. Where is it and stuff? It's an internal tool. Now, I still have something for you, something really cool. There's something I've been testing for the last month and a half, okay? And listen to this. In the last month and a half, it has saved me 6.5 days, okay? So I will say that on average, this thing is saving you between 4 and 5, I think it's like 7 days now, so it's saving you something like 5 days. Imagine 5 working days every single month that you're saving. So all this with one simple hack, okay? Just one hack. You don't have to learn anything. You don't have to code anything. You don't have to change your habits. You don't have to do anything. You keep doing what is it that you're doing now, and you can save 5 days per month. It's ridiculous. So that I will leave a link. Go check it out. If you are a coach, a consultant, if you're a solopreneur, or if you have a small team, for example, and you're the type of person who's like, man, I never have time. I wish I had more time and stuff. Imagine without you having to change anything, you will be able to save 5 extra days per month. Okay? And it's not to-do list, a Pomodoro technique, and all that kind of stuff that doesn't work, right? It has nothing to do with this. It's a million times more powerful, and my results are insane. So it has saved me like 57 hours since I've been using it. 57 hours. And when, the average person works, like 8 hours a day or something, you just do the math, right? So anyway, I described everything, and how to get access to the secret. So this secret tool with a unique link where you just do it once, and for the rest of your life, imagine the rest of your life, you can save 5 days per month. There's going to be a link. Go check it out. As you guys know me, my job is to help you get more time. Compress the time that it takes for you to learn stuff or to do stuff. And actually, I don't want you to learn anything. That's the problem. Problem is people want you to learn stuff. You're here to win, right? You want something that already works, something that, someone like me has built. That's what I like to do. Compressing the time, okay? And that's exactly what you're going to get on that link. Go ahead and click. And for tomorrow, I'm going to show you another feature, which is going to be, so if you thought that this was impressive, I'm going to show you something even more impressive in my next video. So please make sure to tune in. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.